I'm Pearly Kee, and I teach cooking the Malaysian dishes. I'm a 5th generation Nyonya. It means that I cook a fusion food of Malay, Chinese and Indian food. I think you love the prawn dish a lot. It's called Sambal Goreng. This dish has been with us for at least 150 years. Lemongrass, cashew nuts, tamarind juice, shrimp paste to make the paste, and put in a blender to really blend everything until it's really fine to cook into a good cream paste. Getting crispy shallots, crispy garlic, not that easy. You need to be patient, learn it, and practice. Layers of flavor in the oil. Yeah, that's the secret of this dish. The layers of flavor in the oil. Put them on high heat to simmer. When it's splattering, you lower the heat and just 10 seconds on each side. That's enough. It's already crunchy. Eat it, it's like, wow, you're going on to Club 9. Yeah, that's what I like.